Hello there, it's Alana Tuckey, and I'm here to help you with this problem, which is 1.3 number 7 from the statistics textbook. You can tell it's number 7 because if you look over here in the right corner, it says number 7. So that's what it is in the study plan, and it's what it would be in the textbook. Of course, it can change which problem it is in the homework depending on the assignment. All right, so let me click on View an Example. All right, a student entering a doctoral program in educational psychology is required to select 2 courses from the list of courses provided as part of his or her program. List all the possible 2 course selections. Comment on the likelihood that EPR 630 and 645 will be selected. Okay, so here are the possible courses. It's really small, but I can't make it any bigger, sorry. Okay, so we have 5 numbers to choose from. We have 705, 722, 734, 746, and 697. Okay, and what we want is every possible, in this case, 2 course selection. So they want 2 courses, right? So they want us to list everything possible. So we would take 705 and we'd start by pairing it up with 722. And then we would take 705 and then pair it with 734. And then take 705 and pair it with 746, and so on. 705 and 697. Okay, so there are those ones. Right? So there's one sample here. I'll number them for you. So this is sample 1, this is sample 2, this is sample 3, sample 4. All right, now that we've worked our way through the 705 ones, we've done everything possible with 705. So now we have to move on to the next one, which is 722. Now 722 I'm not going to put with 705 because I've already dealt with that right here in sample 1. So I'm going to put it with the next number, which is 734. And then 722 with 746. And then 722 with 697. And you work your way systematically down. Let's see if it'll, oh, perfect. Let me drag it down a little bit further. Okay, so then I need 734 with 746. I need 734 with 697, right? Because once I've got all the 722 possibilities here, let me highlight these so you can see. So these are the ones that use 722 as its lead. And then I'll put these in green. These are the ones that have 705 in its lead. And you're getting less and less and less as you work down. So then 734, I'll put orange. So, oops, I did a little dyslexic moment there. All right, so those are the ones with 734, right? So you start off with 4 of them, then you go to 3 of them, then you go to 2 of them, and the last one is the last 2 numbers. So there are 10 possible combinations here, right? And those are the ones with that one in front. Okay? So that's what you do, and then let me see here. It would probably have options, right? So you'll have to like choose or click on all the different options, and then it asks you how many, or the comment on the likelihood. Well, there's 10 options altogether, and so they want to know the likelihood that 630 and 645 will be selected. Okay, 630 and 645. Well, that must be a mistake on their part because there aren't any with 630 and 645. That must be a typo. So it looks like they meant 734 and 697. Well, that's all right. Okay, so 734, 697. 734 is these 2. So I'm going to make all these white again because now that you see all of this, we don't really need the color coding. So. All right, so they really want to know about 734 and 697. So 697 occurs right here, and 734. 734, 697 is right there. And then let's see, is there any other one that uses those 2? Well, no, because we don't have any repeat patterns like that. So there's only a 1 out of 10 chance that those 2 courses together will be selected, right? And I'll email them that that's a typo in their example. I'll do that later. All right, so 1 in 10. Cool. And then for this pit in here, it looks like when you look at your problem, you have to like click on different ones. So you have to click on all the different possibilities. And this is with 3 in this particular problem. Of course, it might be 3, it might be 2, it might be 4. It's the same idea with 3. You just keep working your way down, right? You start with the first number and then, start with the first 2 and then choose these 3. Then you start with the first and the third and choose these 2. And then you start with the first and the fourth and pick this one. And then you move on to the next number as your lead, right? All right. I hope that helps. See you later.